Have some stressful time ahead of you or got a new job you want to really impress? Our Empowerment Roll-On will help you feel empowered to take on the day in a new challenge. For this recipe, you'll need 2 drops of Copaiba Essential Oil, 2 drops Geranium Essential Oil, Coffee Essential Oil, 10 milliliter roll-on, fractionated coconut oil, or you can use any other carrier oil like almond oil. To make this recipe, it's super simple. Just add your essential oils to your roll-on bottle. Then fill the rest of the way with your fractionated coconut oil or almond oil. And lid on. And give it a gentle shake to combine. And then add your label. Diffuse, roll it onto pulse points or other areas where you'll get a good whiff. To feel empowered and take on any challenge. To get everything you need for this recipe plus more, subscribe to our Simply Earth Essential Oil recipe box to make your home more natural.